Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about some money print fabric. I received this one today. It's a knit, suitable for making sleeveless bandeau tops or tank tops or swimsuits. And then I have the flat weave cotton. That's good for making anything else, skirts, pants, shorts, even some novelty items. And I do have a wallet that I actually made from the flat weave. And this is for a customer's request. And it has pockets for your credit cards. It has 4 pockets for credit cards. And then it has the pocket for the money. Yeah, that's kind of neat. And then you close it with the elastic and the button. So, yep. So I'm on my way. I'm going to be making some more items with it. Probably, most definitely some more wallets, because they seem to be highly requested. And then if you don't want a wallet because you're one of those people who just carries only cards, then there's a card case that I also made. It's easier when you have your tripod, isn't it? Okay, so this is the card case, and that difference is it doesn't have the opening for the money, but you certainly could fold your dollar bills in half and put them in here, and then you have the 4 pockets for the cards. So I'll have those up on the website for sale as well pretty soon. So yeah, stay tuned for more crafty creations that coming from Tutress. So tell me, do you prefer a card case, or do you prefer a wallet? And just let me know in the comments. And if you're interested in one of these 2 products, look for the link in the description below. Thank you. Talk to you soon.